Tired of AI tools that need constant babysitting? These three actually work on autopilot. They saved me 15 hours weekly and cut one client's costs by $5,000. Stay until the end for the bonus tool that connects everything else and can run your entire business while you sleep. Let's be real, running a business in 2025 is exhausting. I was drowning in admin work until I found these three AI tools that actually deliver. No complicated setup, no IT headaches, just real results. I'll show you exactly how they work for real businesses like yours. And by the way, tool number 3 is what helped one of my clients increase sales by 40% overnight. But more on that later. Let's start with the AI assistant that changed my entire work schedule. First up is Motion, your AI executive assistant. Before we dive in, drop a 1 in the comments if calendar chaos is killing your productivity. Motion automatically handles your scheduling headaches and creates protected time for deep work. The best part? It adapts on the fly when plans change. Quick story, a client who runs a marketing agency was spending 8 hours weekly just juggling meetings. After setting up Motion, he cut that down to 20 minutes of quick review. That's $1,800 back in his pocket monthly, and he hasn't missed dinner with his kids in weeks. There's a free version to get you started today. Now, let's move to tool number 2, Tidio, your 24/7 customer service solution that never sleeps. We all lose sales because customers can't get answers after hours. What's your return policy? Do you ship internationally? Tidio handles these questions instantly on your website. A local boutique owner I work with added Tidio and saw weekend sales jump 18% immediately. Why? People were abandoning carts when no one answered their questions. It takes just 10 minutes to set up, 0 technical skills needed. But if you think that's impressive, wait until you see tool number 3, which gives you enterprise-level insights for free. Tool number 3 is Google Looker Studio. Essentially, your AI business intelligence department. Most business owners make decisions based on gut feeling rather than data, and it's costing them thousands. Looker Studio connects to all your data sources and transforms them into visual dashboards that update in real time. I implemented this for a fitness studio owner who discovered her Instagram ads were actually losing money, while her email campaigns had a 400% ROI. One dashboard change redirected her budget and increased profits by 27% in just 1 month. The best part? It's completely free. And now for the bonus tool, Zapier, the ultimate automation platform that connects all 3 tools we just discussed into one seamless workflow. Here's a real example. Imagine a potential client visits your website after hours. Tidio immediately engages them and collects their information. Zapier then springs into action. It automatically creates a new lead in your CRM, schedules a follow-up meeting in Motion during your dedicated sales blocks, and updates your Google Looker Studio dashboard in real time so you can track conversion rates. There you have it, 3 AI powerhouses plus a bonus tool that can transform your business operations while your competition is still doing things manually. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop the number in the comments. I've included links to all these tools in the description below. If this video helped you, hit subscribe and join my newsletter at BitBiasedAI, where I break down AI tools with actual honesty and just enough sarcasm to keep you awake.